Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can print from Canva. Let's get started. Go ahead and open any browser and then in the search bar, search for canva.com. Once you search for it, log into your account and choose a design you want to print. So once you have opened the design, you'll then be able to see the Canva print service. Go ahead and tap on print. I don't have that option, but if you do, you can simply tap on print with Canva right over here, but I recommend downloading it first. Tap on share, tap on download. Inside here, make sure you select PDF print as the file type. This gives you the best quality for printing. Once done, tap on download. And once you have downloaded the file, your file will be saved to your computer. Go ahead and simply open it. And right over here, you'll then be able to find a print option. Tap onto it. And then you want to go ahead and choose your printer, select color, black or white, and then click on print. And that's it. Printing from Canva is that simple. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.